The F-22 Raptor is a fifth-generation stealth fighter jet designed and manufactured by Lockheed Martin of the United States, specifically engineered for air superiority combat. Since entering service in 2005, the F-22 has become one of the world's most formidable aerial combat platforms due to its exceptional performance and advanced technology. It not only possesses outstanding air-to-air combat capabilities, but also excels in executing multi-role missions, standing as the pinnacle of modern aerial warfare. As the first operational fifth-generation fighter, the F-22 integrates multiple cutting-edge technologies, including stealth capabilities, supersonic cruise, and high maneuverability. Its radar-evading design significantly enhances combat survivability by making detection by enemy radar systems extremely difficult. The F-22 Raptor is not merely an ordinary fighter jet. It is a revolutionary product of aerial combat designed to replace the legendary F-15 Eagle. As the world's first true fifth-generation fighter, it integrates stealth, speed, and music. It possesses super cruise capability, breaking the sound barrier without afterburner. It was unmatched, unshakable, untouchable, yet only 186 were ever produced, with not a single one exported. Now the F-22 is gradually being retired. For though this fighter is legendary when soaring through the skies, the power the Raptor displays in the air has turned it into a political and strategic nightmare on the ground. For years, key allies like Israel, Japan, and Australia repeatedly pleaded to purchase the F-22, recognizing its potential and even offering to pay a premium. Yet every request was denied. In 1998, Congress not only blocked sales, but legislated a ban on exporting the F-22 to any nation outside the United States. The crux lies in this. Unlike most U.S. military aircraft, the F-22 was never designed for export markets. Its technology is too advanced and highly classified, incorporating next-generation stealth capabilities, sensitive radar systems, and production processes. The U.S. refuses to share these technologies, even with its closest allies. Why? Because threats extend beyond the battlefield into cyberspace. China and Russia have long been documented for stealing U.S. military secrets. In 2016, hackers obtained design blueprints for the F-35C-130 transport aircraft and even the F-22. The threat extends beyond the battlefield into cyberspace. China and Russia have been caught stealing U.S. military secrets, with hackers in 2016 obtaining design blueprints for the F-35C-130 and even the F-22. Consider the risk. Exporting the Raptor fighter jet only to see its technology appear in Chinese aircraft years later. Moreover, the U.S. has seen this play out before. Iran still operates F-14 Tomcats purchased before the revolution. Venezuela defends its airspace with American-made F-16s. And even China's J-10 fighter is believed to have originated from U.S. technology transferred via Israel. Minus 14 fighters, Venezuela still relies on American-made F-16s to defend its airspace. Therefore, when it comes to the F-22 Raptor, Congress will take no chances. All exports are strictly prohibited. But the key twist is this. The Pentagon had quietly explored the feasibility of exporting the F-22. Documents obtained through the Freedom of Information Act reveal that multiple Air Force units conducted feasibility assessments, envisioning the development of a slightly downgraded export variant. Yet a twist emerged. Pentagon documents obtained via FOIA indicate the Pentagon had discreetly explored the possibility of exporting a derivative model of the F-22. Multiple Air Force departments conducted feasibility studies envisioning a slightly downgraded export variant, but Congress ultimately denied funding. As the F-22 remained shrouded in secrecy, the spotlight shifted to another fighter, the F-35. Cheaper and more versatile, the F-35 was designed from the outset as the global partner fighter, becoming the benchmark for international stealth fighters. In contrast, the Raptor remained America's lone wolf fighter. Ironically, its timing was off. Born to dominate high-tech air combat, it emerged during the low-tech wars of Iraq and Afghanistan. What the military needed then wasn't air superiority, but reconnaissance drones, precision strikes, and counterinsurgency tools. Yet it arrived in the low-tech wars of Iraq and Afghanistan, conflicts where stealth fighters were virtually useless. The military didn't need air superiority. It needed reconnaissance drones, precision strikes, and counterinsurgency tools. The F-22's unique strengths, supersonic cruise capability, and air combat dominance were meaningless in these wars, like a Ferrari in a bicycle race. As strategic priorities shifted and funding dried up, the planned production of 750 Raptors was reduced to just 186 completed aircraft. This F-22, once the symbol of American air supremacy, is quietly exiting the stage of history. It leaves behind a peculiar legacy, a fighter that could have dominated the skies for generations, yet became a rare, forbidden artifact of a different era. Too formidable to be sold, too advanced to be risked, and too far ahead of wars it will never fight. This is the story of the F-22 Raptor,